Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I created this really pretty green look. So if you would like to see how I got it, keep on watching. I already primed my eyes with some concealer and then I set it with powder. So I am using the Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette today. So first I'm going to go in with this shade right here. It's the first shade in the big row of pans, and that's called Fair. So I'm gonna take that on a Morphe B79 brush and just run that through my crease. Next I'm gonna go in with this third shade in the middle row, and that's called Thunder, and I'm gonna take that on my Morphe M573 brush and I'm just gonna run that through my crease. Okay, so next I'm gonna take the screen shade right here, and that's called Fickle. And I'm gonna take that on a Morphe M433 brush. I'm gonna run this into the crease a little bit, but mostly focusing it on like the outer corner. Next I'm gonna go in with this darker green shade right here, and that's called Pine. I'm gonna take that all over my lid, and I'm just gonna use a shader brush for that. Okay, just to add a little dimension to the look, I'm going to take this deep purple shade right here that's called Slice, and I'm going to take it and kind of like focus it, kind of like a little bit of liner, just kind of smudging it into the lash line. Now I'm going to take this shade right here, it's like a olivey golden green shade, and it's called So Glam, and I'm just going to take that on my finger and just pat it on top of the lid, mainly on the inner part of the lid. Okay, so on this side, when I was putting that gold shade on, I was kind of taking the other eyeshadow off. I think just to deepen the outer corner a little bit more, I'm going to mix the two green shades together and just focus that on the outer corner. Just because I do want a little bit of shimmer, I'm going to go into the Colourpop Just My Luck palette. And because there's a very similar shade in here. This one right here, that's called All of You. That's funny. I'm going to try that with my finger and putting it on the inner corner, or like the inner part of my eye, just to see if it works any differently. Okay, the one in this Colourpop palette is good. The one in the Morphe palette is not good. For foundation today, I wanted to give this NYX Tinted Skin Veil another shot because I'd used it in my full face of first impressions video, and because I'd used a moisturizer I'd never used before, it was kind of looking weird, so I just want to use it with my normal products. So this is in the shade Vanilla Nude, and I'm just gonna put it on and blend it out with my Real Technique sponge. For concealer, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and this is in the shade 5. Next for bronzer, I'm going to use the Colourpop Coconut Beach Pressed Powder Bronzer. And I'm going to take it on an e.l.f. Flawless Face Brush. For blush, I'm going to use the Lottie London Blush Crush in the shade Drake. I've really been liking this since I tried it. I've been using it like pretty much every single day that I've worn makeup since I got it and I tried it. So yeah, I really like this. And now for highlighter, I've been really liking this too. It's the Makeup Revolution Highlighter Reloaded and Just My Type. So I'm just gonna put that on the high points of my face and then like center my face where I usually put it too. So I just did my eyebrows off camera. I used my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz and then my Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel. And next I haven't put mascara on, and that's because I have these new lashes. These are from Boldface Beauty. These are in the style After Hours. This is what they look like. I need to size these to my eyes before I do mascara, so I'm gonna size them and cut them, trim them, and then put mascara on off camera, and then I'll be back to put these on. For mascara, I did a coat of the Tarte Like Camera Lashes mascara, and now I'm just gonna put my false lashes on, and I'm gonna use my House of Lashes glue for that. So to finish off my lower lash line, I'm gonna mix the two green shades together. I'm just gonna take a little like pencil smudgy brush and just run that under my eyes. And now on my Morphe brush, I'm gonna mix the two transition shades I use and just smudge those colors out with that. And now I'm gonna take this eye pencil from NYX. It's in the shade Moss, and I'm just gonna run that in my waterline. For my lips first, I'm gonna line them with the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner and Malibu. I hate her lip liners, to be honest, because when you sharpen them, this is what happens. I'm going to fill that in with the Lip Lingerie from NYX in the shade Baby Doll. And then just in the center, I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fenty Glow, and I'm just going to do like a tiny little bit of this in the center. Actually, I'm going to do it on my whole lips. So that was the finished look. I really like how it came out. I really like these olive tones. They're really pretty. But thank you so much everyone for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and that you're subscribed, and I will see you all next time.